Evening, welcome to another daily market summary. I hope you're doing well. Let's go through again what we potentially have for the week. All right, so looking at the Swiss yen, I want you to pay attention to this pair because we might have a potential buy coming into tomorrow or going into the rest of tomorrow. Now I've taught you guys how to look at the inside day candle, so you can see that this up candle is within this big up candle in here, and we have basically next day trade down first. Okay, we open and we trade down to take out previous day's low. So what you need to do is highlight your last down candle, which is basically this one here, and as soon as price closes above this high, that can be used as a buy, and we will be targeting this equal high. So this can also go on a T4T trade. Okay, so the trade will be after we close above this high, you can look for that same down candle to be activated as a buy for us to go and attack this equal high. Right, that's giving us almost 3 to 1. Okay, so we need price to now close above a down candle. I've highlighted this one because that's the last down candle. So if it makes another low, then the last down candle will be that low, right? So we're anticipating price to basically close above this high. Also, we have our pound Aussie trade, which is not doing bad. We almost went to stop out, but obviously if we trust the process, then it is what it is, and then price has rejected. So hopefully we should see a rejection to continue going lower. Okay, pound New Zealand, same thing, price is also rejecting, so that's a good thing. The other trade that I think might be of potential buy is this one here. Now on this, we still have room to the upside, and also price never got to this down candle. Now maybe going into the rest of early hours today, it might do something like that. So we notice that this is also an inside candle, right? We do have the last down candle, which is here. We've not retraced to it, so maybe once we open market this evening, it might trade back down, hit this order block, and then make an attempt to go up. So this is also another potential trade that we can also look at. If you look here, that's a low, that's a high, lower low, high high, so that's a breaker as well. So anticipate a trade to form in here. Okay, and now if it does not get there and it trades above any down candle, then we can use that down candle as our entry, and then we look for potential continuation to the upside, right? Aussie, same thing. We'll be looking for potential trade above any down candle, and then we can use as a entry to continue going up. But the one I would want us to use for a trade for our T4T account would be this one here, because I like the equal high. So this would be the one that we potentially use if we get a close above the down candle. Okay, also I think the foreign currencies, they are not doing anything yet, so we will wait for potential order blocks to form, and then we can use them as a trade idea. Let's see what else we can use. Pound CAD. Now during the live session I taught you ATM. We do have a swing high formed on the H4, so you can highlight the low of this candle and stop loss goes above this high. Now I don't recommend this one going on our T4T account. You can use this on your normal account if you want to. So you'll be using this low as your entry. Obviously target will be this low and that level down there, so you'll be looking for this as your downside objective. So you sell short once price trades back to this, and then look for this as your downside objectives. All right. Let's see what else we can have. Gold. I think gold should go for this equal high and go for 118, 1811. Okay, 1811 should be our next upside objective. So I'm looking for a buy on gold. I think this down candle is not bad level. We also have this one here. In case this one fails, then use that one. This one is a good level to anticipate a push to the upside, because if you remember what I did, I divided the levels into 4. Okay, and I told you that down candles are going to be forming at these levels. So you can see we did form a down candle in here, and we are potentially forming one there. So if they go above it, that can be used as a trade entry for a continuation to 811. Okay, so if we trade above the down candle, this one here, then 811 should be your upside objective, and you can use this as a potential entry. And between these two, I like this one, because if you divide this into 2, it brings you to the second one, which is this one here, right? The 50% brings you here, so you'll be looking for the second down candle as your entry. If it comes back down, ignore this one. There's equal low and there's this down candle here, so you can use that one for your trade entry. All right, so that will be all for now. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and then we'll see what the market will give us. Take care, have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you soon.